practice. 11.4. You do all the problems there. Each page is a problem, so there's 5 questions altogether. Geneva has a $350 budget. Okay, so she has that much money. That's her budget, so it has to equal to $350, whatever it is. For her wedding photo album, she can choose a combination of a 3.5 photo, which are 50 cents each. So 0.5 each means times 50 cents for a 3.3 by 5 photo. So here is X. X represents the number of 3 by 5 photos. Okay, and means add. 8 by 10 photos, which are, so 8 by 10 photo, which is our $1.75 each. So each means time times the number of 8 by 10 photos. Let's make that Y. So Y equals to the number of 8 by 10 photos. Okay. The flat fee for the photo is $200. Okay, so there's a flat fee, so she's going to also pay for the fee of $200. So there's the 3 photo, the 5 by 7 cost, the 8 by 10 cost, and the fee cost. Alright, for all her photos. And she only has $350. So, alright, that sounds like an equation there. So it sounds like 0.5x plus the set 1.75y equals, oh, and the $200, because that's all the cost. These are all money. $200 money. Okay, equal to $350. Okay, equals to $350. And then Geneva wants to have four 3 by 5 photos for every. So she wants 4 3 by 5 photos, or X, for every 8 by 10. So for every 4 photos, you have 1, which is equal to 1. For every 4, you have 1 8 by 10. So X. Every means 1 in the album. So for every 4 equals to 1. Okay, hope that makes sense for you. How many of each size photo can Geneva get in her photo album if she spent the exact amount of her budget? Okay, so for every 4, that's 4x equals to 1 y photo, or just y equals to 4x here. Okay, this is the same, written like that. So I can use substitution. So you can substitute this into here. So you get 0.5 x plus 1.75 times 4x plus 200 equals to 350. Okay, you can set that, solve for x, and then you substitute in for y. I'll give you the answer later. So you finish this and setting it up. Make sure you explain what your answer means. So how many of these size photo can, so you need to write at the end, Geneva will get blank numbers of, or whatever, get 6 of the 3 by 5 photo. I don't know what the answer is, but, and blank of the 8 by 10 photo for $350. Okay. You need to answer that question. Okay. This question, let's go to the... Okay, Kyle is selling gift bags and wrapping paper for a school fundraiser. Mrs. Jones ordered 4 gift bags and 3 rolls of wrapping paper for $47.50. Mrs. Kim ordered 7 gift bags and 1 roll of wrapping paper for $47. Mr. Burnett wants to order 3 gift bags and 5 rolls of wrapping paper. How much? So he wants to order this much. How much is Mr. Bennett's order? Okay. How much is his order? Let's see. So that's the question there. Kyle is selling gift bags and wrapping paper for a school fundraiser. That's just the story. It's not needed. Mrs. Jones ordered 4 gift bags and means plus 3 wrapping papers for this much equal. So 4 gift bags, 4 times the 4 gift bags times the price of each gift bag, so X. So 4 times the price of each gift bag will tell me the cost of the 4 bags. That gives you, then X means the price of each gift bag. And 3 rolls of wrapping paper. So that's 3Y. So Y is the price, 3 times the price of the wrapping paper. You add it together, add these two after you multiply, you should get 47. So Y equals the price of the wrapping paper. Okay? So, you get 4x plus, 4x, I write 3. 4x plus 3y equals, so the number of gift bag, multiply it to the price, add it up all together, it needs to be $47.50. Mrs. Kim orders 7 gift bags and 1 roll of wrapping paper equals to $47. Okay, so she orders 7 gift bags. 7 times the price of the gift bag, which is X, so we know how much 7 will cost. And 1 times the price of the wrapping paper, which is Y, equals to $47. 7X plus 1Y equals to $47. Okay, so you can use elimination or solve and use substitution. You need to explain which method, or another test, you need to explain which method and why. Okay, so you do that. I'll show you the answer in a little bit. I'm just setting you up. I would use elimination by multiplying all by -3 and then working it out that way. Number 4, Ty is playing a video game. Okay, that's this part of the story. Who cares? He must accomplish 18 tasks to complete the level. So accomplish means 18. That means he needs to get to 18 to complete the level. The level includes 3 easy tasks. Include easy tasks. That's worth 30 points each. See this word each. 30 points times. This level includes easy tasks. X equals to the easy task. Okay, and means plus. Hard task, that's worth 15 points. So 115 points each. Each means times the hard task. Y. Okay? Tie score at the end of the level is 100, and so his scores equals to this. Okay, so his score equals to that. So you got, these are all scores here, 30 points, 150 points, so it equals to this many points all together. Okay, so 30x plus 115y, these are points. Tie score at the end of the level is this much. Okay. How much did each task? Okay, so all the tasks he had was 18. So he had the easy task plus the hard task equal to 18 tasks altogether. This is just like nickel plus the dime equals to 18 coins altogether. Same thing, okay? Okay, you solve this by using elimination. That means you multiply it all by negative 30. Okay, and you distribute. You multiply it all. Eliminate. So you get 30 plus 115y equals to 147. This will get you negative 30x minus 30y equals to 24, carry 2, negative 50. Like that. Okay, eliminate this, subtract these. Oh, I forgot the 5. Okay? Uh-oh. Yeah. Subtract them, and you finish, and then you find, then you have y substituted in for x. I'll show the answer on the separate video. Okay, number 5. A trivia game show a contestant with 21 answers. Okay, so there's a total of 21 answers. Maximum point of this much, so the points equals to 200, can be earned. Some questions are worth 10 points, okay? So some questions are worth 10 points each. And some are worth 8 points each, and means plus. How many of each value question, point value, how many of each point value question must the contestant answer to earn the maximum number of points? Okay, so let's put all the points together first. We've got 200 points, so we need equals to 200 points. Oh, define the variable. Did I define the variable on that one? I didn't define the variable here. X. Okay, did I give it P? Let's give it X. Let's give this Y. X equals to number of 10-point questions. Why is the number of 8-point question? Getting tired. Very tired. Okay? So you got 10-point questions times how many there are. So 10 points times how many 10-point question there are to find out. And then the 8-point is 8 times the number of questions there are of 8-point questions. Now 10-point question plus 8-point questions, the number there are of those type of question has to add up to 21. You use elimination or substitution and let you have good examples. Okay, one last one. A group of 4 adults and 6 children paid this much for admission to the zoo. Okay, so 4 adults, 4A plus 6C paid $76. Another group, 5 adults, 5A, and plus 3 children equals to 68. Okay, well, anyways, that equals, what am I? Okay, so, and the other one is this one right here. I'm tired, you guys. That's why I stopped. I was falling asleep. I would use elimination. I would eliminate the C because I can multiply the top by -2. That gives you me, I'm going to erase this line right there, and that gives me -10A. -6C equals to that's 16 carry 1, 130 something. And then you solve for A and then substitute in and find C. Remember to answer what your answer mean, okay? Okay, that's the video on how to set up each problem. I believe that's it on the other. Okay. So on the next one, I'm going to show you